Hello and welcome to the Scrummy Cooking Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some fathead dough. Now if you are a low carber, you'll know what that is and you will have heard of it. If you're new to it, it may be new to you, so I'll just show you how easy it is. You can use this for quite a lot of different things. You can like make pizza bases out of it, you can make little sort of rolls, you can make sausage rolls, you can use it in a way that you would use a sort of bread dough, but it is quite different, and hats off to the person who invented it, because who would have ever thought that you could make a sort of bread substitute out of mozzarella? Who knew? Anyway, it's quite a good one, and I absolutely love the sausage rolls. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make the dough, and then I am going to use that dough in a couple of other videos just to show you some things that you can do with it. So hopefully you'll give it a go and you know, just enjoy. So I'm going to start by telling you about the ingredients that I've got. In this bowl here, I should just hold that up, I've got some grated mozzarella and some cream cheese. So that's 50 grams of cream cheese and 200 grams of grated mozzarella. Now, this is not mozzarella that you buy in a ball, you know, the one that's when you open the packet all the water comes out because that's how it's stored. This is pizza cheese, and I'm just going to hold this up. So this is the one that I have bought. It's a Tesco's one, it's pizza mozzarella, and when you open it, it's a solid block. This is what I've got left out of my block. But as you can see, it's not watery in any way. If you use the one that's watery, this recipe doesn't work. So it's important that you buy the block of mozzarella in order to get this recipe right. So this is going to go into the microwave on high for 2 minutes, so that all the cheese melts. So I'm going to go off and do that, and I'll be back. Okay, so that only actually took a minute and a half in my microwave. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just mix this together. I suppose it depends very much on how powerful your microwave is. I'm not quite sure what the wattage is on our microwave, so I'll just have to keep an eye on it. But anywhere between a minute and a half and 2 minutes. And as you can see, it's melted and it's gone stringy. Okay, I'll just do that and you can see it's gone stringy, as any mozzarella would. Okay, now into that I am going to add a tablespoon of baking powder. And I'm also going to put in there a teaspoon of xantham gum. Now, this is optional, but I think it helps the structure. So when you're cooking anything that's gluten-free, xantham gum really helps. So I'm just going to mix that in and add 1 egg. And again, mix that in. It's important to keep this moving, because if you don't, what will happen is the egg will start to cook and scramble, whereas the air that you're adding helps it to evenly spread. Okay, so the last ingredient I'm adding to that is ground almonds. I've got 100 grams of ground almonds. That is going to go in. And then this, I'm going to start by bringing it together with my spoon. And I'm just going to get my hands in now. It looks quite sticky, but as it cools it gets harder. And when you're rolling this, you are rolling it between bits of parchment paper. You can't just pop it on the counter and roll it, because it would just be a disaster. However, this is fine, so I can just move that out of the way. See what would happen if you just rolled it like that. There we go. That is it. Fathead Dough. Now, believe it or not, let's hold that up to that camera. Believe it or not, that will make delicious sausage roll. It's nice toasted. It's really, really good. So if you want to see what to do with it, then watch the upcoming videos that will, they'll start with Fathead Dough. So I am going to make some sausage rolls, so look for Fathead Dough sausage rolls on my channel, and you can see how I'm going to make that into something amazing. Makes delicious pizza, by the way. I shall look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like that recipe, and I will see you on the next video using this dough. Alright, see you later. Bye.